Open yourself up, check yourself before you wreck yourself. What's happening, guys? Have you guys ever heard of techneck? Are you a desk worker? You play a lot of video games? Well, I'm here to help inform you about how your head and your posture is causing neck pain and back pain in your life. I'm Dr. Mike with RxWellness. Let's go. Did you know your head weighs 10 to 12 pounds? When you're doing this all day, staring at your phone, walking around, it's causing problems with your neck, your vertebrae, and your muscles. Maybe you have pain. Maybe you have discomfort. We're here to teach you about that. Why is techneck such an issue for remote workers? You're at home all day. You're not at the office, and you're sitting here like this. I know some of y'all can relate to that. Gen Zs, your kids, everybody who's playing video games. So what's happening here is we're forward hunching. That's stretching your back muscles, stretching your vertebrae, shortening your front neck muscles, shortening your front shoulder muscles. It's all coming from your daily lifestyle habits. So let's bring that chest back, bring our shoulders back. Start with some simple exercises. Look at this. This is what builds up over time. This is your forward head tilt and your forward head posture. So that is going to cause your vertebrae and your neck to pattern themselves like this. So when we're like this for a long time, we're putting pressure on the nerves and the discs and the blood supply going to your brain and down your spinal cord. But when we provide corrective adjustments, some nice, gentle corrective adjustments in your cervical spine, you're gonna come from this to this. So everybody needs this correction. Everybody needs this retraining. Not only will stretches help, but we need to provide adjustments to create a more stable spine and get out of these patterns. If you're not willing to go to the chiropractor, you're not willing to take your health into your own hands, I'm sorry that you're dealing with that. First of all, you should be seeing a chiropractor taking care of your spine. But right now at home, this is called the cervical retraction. So I want you to stare at a point on the wall. And if you look at my side here, we're gonna stare at that point. We're gonna bring our chin back to give ourselves a double chin. Look at that. Keeping our head straight, we're gonna hold 1, 2, and we're gonna push out and protract the neck. 1, 2. Come all the way back. 1, 2. What this is gonna do is reset the vertebrae in your spine to get straightened out. Also help round some of this shortening happening with your anterior scalenes, your SCM, your neck muscles. We're gonna bring that stuff back and reset your spine. That's why we talk about stretching is great, but it doesn't do everything that we're looking for. At least at home right now, cervical retractions, protraction. We're gonna keep that movement. Generally, I tell people to do this after they get adjusted. One of the first things we can do for at-home rehabilitation. All right, folks. Let's get a summary of everything. One habit you can do today to change your techneck, first of all, is check yourself. You gotta check yourself before you wreck yourself. You know what I'm talking about? So if you're at work, you're playing video games, whatever you're doing, I want you to focus on bringing your shoulder blades back, picking your head up, strong and confident human being. We want you opened up, spread the chest, pull your shoulders back, take a deep breath in. Another habit you can do, come on down over here with me, is at your desk, catch yourself while you're checking yourself right here. So if we find ourselves like this, you need to bring this up. We can also tie in a standing desk. You want that at eye level, but also you can bring the screen up to eye level. So that way you're not looking down and you're not looking straight up. But if you keep that screen at eye level, hopefully your shoulders will follow with it. You got to constantly be monitoring your situation here. All right, folks. So in summary of where do I see the future happening for techneck, for human beings, as we integrate more with computer life, we need to modify our life. Whether you're going to RxWellness or not, you really should. If you live in Northern Virginia, Maryland, DC area, come to RxWellness. We'll take good care of you. But also go see a chiropractor. Go see somebody who cares about your spine, who cares about your health, and who's actually gonna listen. A lot of folks out there don't really care. They just see you as a number. We see you as a human being. We want to take care of your spine so that way you can go out and change the world. Let's go.